Alright, so today I'm gonna change the valve cover gasket on a 1JZ-GTE. I never done it on this engine, but so I guess it's not really a tutorial, but more of a I'm just bringing you along with me, and just a video of me trying to figure it out, I guess. Got the gaskets in the mail this morning, valve cover gaskets and those little plugs, however you want to call them. 1J VVTI, the latest of the 1Js in a JZX110. I guess we can start by removing the cover here. Screws are removed, cover comes off. This is the VVTI gear and blah blah blah. Coils, I guess we'll remove the coils next. Okay, I've loosened the coils. Basically this engine has two valve covers, so I think I don't have to remove them really, but I'm gonna try to get them out of my way just in case. Anyway, everything is greasy here, so yeah, the gasket definitely needs to be changed. Yeah, I'll just try not to mix up the coils. Alright, so I went to undo the bolt and I put my socket here, and look at this, it's loose. So maybe even the gasket isn't bad, but the bolts were loose. But I'm gonna change it anyway. Another bolt that's loose. What the fuck? This one here was loose. What the fuck? Alright, so all of the bolts are finger tight on the left cover, so I guess that explains the leak. Alright, bolts are removed with my fingers, and now I'm removing the cover off. Alright, so one cover is off, and I guess you don't need to remove the coils, but I'm gonna remove them to check my plugs. Both covers were just finger tight, which is crazy. I removed them both. I removed the coils, I marked them, and I cleaned already covers. Nothing too fancy, but just, you know, just they're not covered completely in oil. And yeah, gone are the days when I would spend like 5 hours just cleaning covers. Now I'm gonna remove the spark plugs quickly just to check them. So I cleaned this area really nicely, which is the surface area where cover is gonna fit. Be super careful not to drop any kind of dust or crap into the engine. I actually removed spark plugs, and I had a problem because everything was covered in oil here, obviously. So as I removed them, some of the oil actually leaked into cylinders, so I removed the my fuel pump relay, and I cranked the engine a bit without spark plugs. But as I was removing them, I also kind of put paper inside so it soaks at least something. That's it. Tighten all the bolts, and now when I put the covers on, I will just clean this area. I didn't want to risk any dust going in the engine while covers are off, so I'm gonna do that, screw everything back, and that's about it. It's changed. So, start your engine and go do some drifts. That's all done.